One thing, guys, I need to say this. I forgot before to tell you this. Anytime you're welding on your car, disconnect the battery ground. Disconnect any grounds that you have that you can get to. When you're welding on it, it'll fry the coil. So this left me stranded in Mexico for 12 and a half hours in the mountains. Okay? Disconnect the ground, save the coil before you weld, plasma, anything on it. All right?
Welcome to my map. Doesn't bring your problems to me. As a minimal man, then I will save your soul. Nothing can ever be free. Well, so you see, you're now addicted to me. So stand my station and wait for salvation.
All right, guys, it's Friday. I paid my son to work for me today so I can do a little more on the truck. Truck's looking pretty good. I know I can pretty much go down the road now, but I'm doing something stupid. Okay, cruising tomorrow morning. Got to be there at 7 in the morning. The one thing about this truck that always bugs the crap out of me is the stance. So I'm going to attempt to do something today that I shouldn't do. And I'm going to go ahead and notch the frame so the rear end will come down a little bit and the stance will be better. It'll also improve the ride and everything so I can keep the stance where I want it and not have to ride completely aired up. So anyway, I'm attempting this today. Don't know if I'll make it, but gonna go for it. All right.
Now you're finally free. You're free. Don't trust the war and take on his power. That you must raise his lights come from the radio. 24 hours a day. Join us on the battleground. Sing loud to the through the show. Stay straight until it's too late. Now you are full of hate, full of hate.
Alright guys, so at this point I stopped taping because the phone died. I just finished assembling the truck, and we finished up about 3:30 in the morning. We did have a mishap this night. My buddy on the way to the house with the bug broke down. I had to go out after him. We got both cars fixed, so in the next video you'll see where we took off for the cruise and the car show. So do me a favor, like, subscribe, and watch the next one.